Kani gadega Pati CTV.
Karet FM 93.5 ringkat ke jingtre lang bat ke Shillong Municipal Board. Haka santarik mentau bena jeliu kila pelong ya ke jing rakhe ya ke World Environment Day. Arajar khatnyau ha Assam Christi Kendra Hall ke bahadan kiti Shillong. Haka ni ke sengila pelong ya ki program beper kontop ru ya ke jing ko power. Ha pedang ki shpongot ke nungi shimenta halor ke pang pedang waste segregation. Kabamon komno ban penyakha di kinyut ha pedang ki balak ban puon bat ki bam puon la ke jong kanang banwara e kajing kho jing suba hapo kisnong ki thau unong job obalara e kani kajing khon udai uba Carmel Darling nakasnong so ara bala yo ru e ka busket da katingka ka bakot arpo haja tingka bala perlot da ka Shillong Municipal Board giwai pa ki program ki kentop e kajing ai kusna mi kinong job ha kajing ko ba per kom ha ka inter school competition halor ka maintenance of cleanliness and understanding of solid waste management concept bat hakani ka benta ka skol ka balara e ka namna do ka dei ka Sinat Secondary School Jayau Kabelayo ika pisa kabakot sanpo hajar tingka. Ya kani kelempong lapenya dari radio joki ki papau jong Karet FM 93.5 bakon top you RJ Kent baru RJ Zak. Haswa jong kani kesngi la pelong ru ki katu kat niki program sumar bat penek mariang hakikat tu kat niki benta jong kanong ba Shillong ki bahap apo ke Shillong Municipal Board. Nang ta katnat urban kala pelong ru ya ka road show pan pensapriang ki khubor halal ka solid waste management ke balapenya do RJ Zak jong Karet FM 93.5.
Hasnap kusnong ku thao kani happy ngawan menta ladai kapor menta bayaki nyut pan menta hoy kinyut baper pamina yen warunak per kidon lagi benta berbataki nuki jaka kis lagi plan kis napso cimbang latam kini ti hajulang akatin borong jernam kini ki jajak lia walaki dai kutia mutia lengba mitra nation bergelas mo iki baro
khi nó ngoan chỉ nó khai tên thay xa bớt sơ lao sen bơi đi xa tiếng nhau pa ta cả chính smart aku Martin baik trong bạn bè đi thấy ngài sang sân ngài linh Saka chính smart yêu tung bông nắng âm sương Dayat linh ba nang tu hap set mensi lagu sau bahasa angin hapo duli nikamu jaka maklem san asma uli aku Martin baik trong lalu patin wan biang jingkut subah walangkan aku Martin baik trong yo semua one walang mo 2 3 4 aku Martin baik trong lalu patin wan biang jingkut subah lalu patin wan biang jingkut subah subang em sa kau mo last karena pagani yang kena skur this is for the students they love to eat chocolate they love to eat muri and all that no plastic throwing everywhere kick the plastic also but they don't know how to keep the surrounding clean very bad man if I find you know I will kick you man I will throw you on the municipal truck and you will also go to the job also at the same time. Okay. So the song is about that. This for the people who are angang asta bro, dengan lebih pak. Kata nang syai, kata nang dung, kata nang sadung. Wala jing start ngila dep yuk lut ngi tang lệ mắt lagi tang lệ kelut haba jing tho ka ông wan bret ho si ki le lendet ki ông saya kani ka kot saya ka plastik Henry phim bay terkat badai leng ba kini badai ling ba kini we get sick ku kena skur kena kolet pay basmat ba muri basmat bam coklat dalang bang sumar kun jangai marian dale atkar dale antar yo kawan pai kelian Uku Martin biang mau berolah we lai aku Martin baik conga lalu patin wan biang jingkut suha saya siap berolah aku Martin what lalu patinwan biang jingkut subah lalu jingkut subah.
It is nice to see here so many schools participating in this program. It goes to show that the awareness have really gone down up to the level of primary students. There's always a danger when there's always a program of the government that it always remain with the top level people, either in the government or in the municipal board, but it doesn't really trickle down to the grassroots. This is really a good occasion that we have made use of this Environment Day to grasp this opportunity of taking along with us students from various schools of the city. I thank the principal of the various schools who have made the children available to attend this program. For such quite a long whole day, it is not easy for them to concentrate, but I believe the program has been of good help to you, beneficial to you, especially for the future of our generation, this generation and the generation to come. Waste has become a hot topic nowadays. It was not so when we were children. When we were kids, we had other things of importance. Development, building bridges, making more roads, making transport faster, and all such important development programs. But waste was not a thing to give importance to. But of late, we have seen that the way man treated nature, the way man treated the resources available with him, calls for attention and special attention to take care of what we use daily in our life. We have the River Walmkra, which is a witness to what we have done to nature, how badly we have polluted the river. It was not so when maybe you as teachers who were a small kid in those days when the River Walmkra was crystal clear and where people would go and catch fishes and play in the water or wash clothes or take bath. So this is the alarming state of nature as of now. So we are beginning today with solid waste management and how to tackle solid waste management. And I was very happy to be present for the last presentation by the school, which was really great. They got the concept very clear. All of you know what to do, what is to be done. And it is up to you now to teach those at home who are not exposed to such kind of education that this is required, necessary to save nature, to save our waters.
Kani Gadega Patisi TV.